we appreciate that work. We can't think about education just about the academic element. The extracurricular element is so critical. And so the parents who are here, I thank for being exemplary parents that understand that we need to develop the entire student, not just on the academic side, but also on the creative side. And as they do this work, they're actually better students. They learn about time management. And when you have other parts of their brain working, it actually makes them do the academic work better. I mean, there are many studies that have shown, for example, students who study music do better academically. So we know the creative arts are very important, but too often we focus just on the academics. And so for me, my commitment is to the holistic development of our students. And so initiatives like this, the work of the JCDC year and year after year, is really critical to the development of our country. We are known in the world as the cultural capital, one of the cultural capitals of the world. So of course we have to emphasize the creative industries and these creative areas. And so I'm happy, and I have to applaud JCDC for the work that you do all the time in making sure that our children understand the value of these creative skills. And I want to say thank you to the adjudicators. I know these days can be long, and I know that sometimes we parents will say, why you chose that one and not the other? And so I know it's not the easiest job, but it's also important, and we wouldn't be able to do these competitions without you. And so thank you for your role. And I was a former JCDC parent. I don't know if I will be again. I used to go to the dance competitions, and those were very long days. And so I understand, and I understand the grind. I understand what you've had to go through. But students, this is only going to help you. At the end of the day, you are going to be able to say, I did JCDC. I can't say that because I never did JCDC, unfortunately. I wish I did. I would maybe even be better if I did. And so know that you're already ahead of so many others because you've entered this competition. You've done the hard work. You have had to do things that your other classmates weren't doing. You have to stay after school. You have to go on weekends sometimes. But it is really important, this work that you're doing, and we're celebrating you, and we think you are wonderful and you're marvelous and you're going to do fantastic things in your life because you've learned how to balance schoolwork and extracurricular. And you've also learned that you can excel in something, and you're excelling. Just being here today, you're excelling. And so I want to say thank you for allowing me to come in and say hello to you. And I look forward to seeing your performances and seeing you on TV, those who win, or even seeing you at the arena when we do Merla-Garona, wherever you put Merla-Garona. I look forward to seeing all of you. So thank you, and enjoy the rest of today.
I think you met him earlier, Sir Salmon. We want to thank you for stopping by. We appreciate this, and God bless you as you go on. Let's put our hands together once again and our Minister of Education, Skills, Youth and Information. Yes, she looked like she wanted to meet some of the students, and we want to thank Alyssa for that wonderful introduction and also showing her skills in speech.
Can I get this? Can I borrow this?
All right.
Responsible for digital technology. Yes? Yes, that's a Minister of Education. So I'm putting her on the side. Okay. And get a photo. Where? Oh, sure.
Good.
Pull it up.
Still meeting, I think she might go all the way over to this side of the room too, you know. We will still All right.
Yeah.
All right, meeting our adjudicators, I think. All right, and she should know who is standing tall right here.
I know. It's
Mr. Michael Nicholson, one of our adjudicators.
oh my gosh. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you. I mean, hard, you know, it must be hard. It's not so hard. Of course. Thank you so much for taking the time. I'm a big fan of this. You see, the competition was actually this week on Monday. Minister Grange and I were having a conversation around, telling her how much I really love this. And she was saying, we need to put more money in it. And I'm like, yeah, we need to figure it out. Yes, we need more money. These are the things that, and for a lot of our students, they don't get any kind of encouragement or recognition. One of the reasons I wanted to meet with those altogether students because we're from non-traditional schools. Right. Central High, put them in that light. Technical is not like that. And so we wanted to say to them, you guys are winners. Because many times you only think about the other ones as winners, but being able to sing, being able to do speech, being able to do drama, all those things are really important things, and we've not prioritized them or given them the same kind of credit as
Thank you, performers,
Digital technology.
So you get your assignment.
So they want to put in the code for the student, for example, to set this one. So that if this one is done in reverse code, the student gets a close of that, please. Yes. Can you get a close of that after I tell you? Right. So the student's name comes up. You see, right? So this now tells us who it is. You click on that. And it comes up, and then you see all the stores. I can't show you.
I believe our Minister of Education is looking at our new platform that we're using for our competition, our award online platform.
And we are up there and we have this.
Just to let her know, as she's looking on, we've received over 10,000 entries this year. We're moving closer to our previous numbers in the webinars coming from COVID. So around 2020, 2021, we were
Like she wants to go on, but I'm here.
Thank you.
Last year we had a little over 8,000 entries, and this year we've been able to have you all contributing, and now we have over 10,000. In previous years before COVID, we had gotten to over 13,000 entries in the format. So we are hoping to get back and to pass, surpass the 13,000. But it's a process. As you use the new system, everything is now technology. As we use the new system, I believe we will even improve more on the numbers.
Thank you. I mean, JCDC falls on the Minister Green, but students
I was just being briefed.
so happy she does.
Our Minister of Education is also responsible for all my information and technology. So that is really good. Really
So you're observing everything and making sure everything works well. But I'm so happy.
We thank you. For allowing us to pause and to welcome and get our greeting from from Minister. Let's put our hands together one more time as we get back to the audition. Thank you. Thank you.